Millennials. So this week was our first week of distance learning, and I know it's been a little bit of a different type of a schedule, and I'm so happy that you guys are all adjusting so well to it. So this week we worked on a biography story about Dr. Seuss, and during the week we worked on a directed draw of a Cat in the Hat, and he was going to be on the cover of our story about Dr. Seuss. So I just want to kind of go over some of the pages in our book. Now, some of your pages can be a little bit different because it's a biography. It is your story on Dr. Seuss. So to help you with the story, you can also go back to our story of the week, and you can listen to the story and think about sequence of events, things that happen in the story to help you figure out what's going to happen first, next, then, and then finally. But I'm going to show you an example of my story that I wrote, okay? So in my first page, I said first, in my story we read that his real name is not Dr. Seuss, right? His real name is actually Ted. And in the story it talked about that Ted was a funny man. He was a very funny man, or you could say he was a silly man, or he was a creative man. So that was what I talked about first. And then, of course, you're going to draw a picture to kind of go with that story. Then on the next page, I said, next, Dr. Seuss liked to write. And he wrote a story called The Cat in the Hat. So you could say something like that Dr. Seuss loved to write, and he wrote about silly characters, Cat in the Hat. There's also a couple of the stories I know that a lot of my friends in class know about. There's the Lorax. There's Wacky Wednesday. You can write about different stories that he wrote about. And then up here, you're going to draw a picture to go with that story. Then we're going to talk about what else did he do. So we know that Dr. Seuss liked to write, but then we also know that he liked to write silly rhymes, or he liked to write rhymes. And it was fun to hear these rhymes. He would use words like splat, cat, hat. He would use silly words and rhyme them together. And it was fun to hear. So maybe you could write the words up here in like little dialogue boxes or little stars and do splat, hat, cat, and different rhyming words to go with this story. And then finally, because we know that even as first graders, we celebrate Dr. Seuss for a whole week here at Liberty. So finally, we want to say something about what happened at the end of the story in our biography that we read about Dr. Seuss. That we know that children today still love to read Dr. Seuss's books. And then you can draw a picture to go with this part of the story. Okay, so I'm hoping that helps. If you still have questions, please reach out and let me know. And some of the pages we did in class, some of them you did at home. Once I collect all the pages, I will staple them together to make your booklet, okay? So I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you.